Hello, good evening to everyone. My name is Priscilla, and today we are going to learn how to create a simple weekend flyer. A simple weekend flyer. We are going to learn how to create it. So, if you want to create a weekend flyer and post on your status, your social media, please follow step by step. So, first of all, we'll go to our Photoshop. We'll open Photoshop and we will start our design. Yes, we start our design. So let's give it a minute. Let's give it a minute. It is loading. It is loading. Yes, so we are in our Photoshop right now, and let's begin to create our weekend flyer. We are going to create our weekend flyer like this flyer. This flyer, yes, this weekend flyer. I did this flyer yesterday and it was very stunning. It was a very stunning flyer. And stay tuned, follow me step by step so that you can be able to create something like this for weekends. Even you can use it for new month, and even any design that you want to do with Photoshop. So first of all, you go to file, go to new, and you select the size of your flyer, which one you want to take. So I have taken 5 by 5 inches, and the resolution is 300. It is here 5 by 5, that is a square. Then you click on create. Yes, I have my background here. So first of all, this is our design. So you can see that this design, we have this circle inside, then the happy, then week, and then so we are going to draw a circle in our we are going to draw a circle. So you go to this icon and click on circle eclipse. You select eclipse. Make sure to hold the shift key while you drag it like this. If not, if you remove the shift key and you drag, you see how it is going to be. No, we don't want this to happen. So you hold your shift key and you drag it so that it will enlarge on every side. Yes, so this is what we want. Yes, so our circle is here, and we enlarge it to the size that we want. Let me center it like this, then I can enlarge it like this. Yes, so I think this is okay for me. Yes, so this is okay for me. Then we are going to bring a background. We're going to give this background a green, a stunning background. Okay, so yes, so you go and bring your background. So I already did, so let me just do undo. Yes, this is my background. Make sure that this background is on top of the circle like this. If you bring it like this, you see you have messed everything up. So you put it on top because you are going to be applying clipping marks. So you right click on it and you create clipping marks. Okay, this is my stunning background for this circle. So after that, we are going to write the text, and the text is, so writing a text, I'll just go and add a layer to this. So add layer to this. Yes, so this is the layer and this is the text. Then I'll just write like this. Yes, so happy. So HAPPY and PPY. Yes, so and I want it to be 14. So we bring yes 14, and I use this font for it. If you want the font, you can just ask for it, and I will give you the comment section. and I will give it to you. Just type font, and I will give you the font that I used for this particular thing. So right now we are going to disperse it. So you just come to the something and you drag it like this, like this. Yes. So uh, you drag it. Yes. Okay. So change the color to white. You double click on it and come here, change color. Then and then this is pure white. Yes, this is good. This is good. Then from there, what we will do is that from there, what we will do is that we will copy this. So we will click on Alt, then you hold Alt, then you drag it down like this. That's already done. So you drag it down like this, and you double click on it, and you spell week, the week. So then you bring it together. Make sure that the one that you see that we yeah. So right now you just bring it to 0 so that we don't want spaces to be there, and the font you can increase it. So this one I use 48 for it. So just click and go to 48. Yes, 48. And the font that I use here is Bevan. If you want this font, you can text in the comment section and I will give you what you want. This is very nice. This is better than the what they small letters. Yes, very good, very good, very good. So what we will do now is that we convert this into a shape so that we can use it well. So from there, what we will do is that we will copy this. So you click on Alt, then you hold Alt, then you drag it down like this. That's already done. So you drag it down like this, and you double click on it, and you spell week, the week. So then you bring it together. Make sure that the one that you see that we yeah. So right now you just bring it to 0 so that we don't want spaces to be there, and the font you can increase it. So this one I use 48 for it. So just click and go to 48. Yes, 48. And the font that I use here is Bevan. If you want this font, you can text in the comment section and I will give you what you want. This is very nice. This is better than the what they small letters. Yes, very good, very good, very good. So what we will do now is that we convert this into a shape so that we can use it well. So so right now we are going to change this to a shape. So you just go to properties and you go properties, then you go up like this. Yes, so you see that it say convert to frame, convert to shape. You want to convert to a shape, then you can increase it like this. Yes, like this. Very good. Then now that is a shape, we can add a stroke to it. So add stroke to it, so it will come Yes, so this is the stroke we want to add 10, then outside normal, then the opacity is 100%, then the color is this color with the brightness to be 100. Yes, that's good. So we have gotten it. So right now we are going to write weekend. So you press on Alt and you drag the happy here and you double click and type end weekend. Yes, so this is it. Then we want to reduce the spacing inside, so you just go to character and you make this to 0. You don't want any spacing. Then here will be 48, 48. Yes, 48. And our font is Bivan. You see, Bivan has a way of giving to that vibrant boldness. Yes, it is great. It is great. So what we do is to convert it to a shape. So a shape, yes. So you go to properties and you go down, you see convert to frame, convert to shape, click on convert to shape, then you just enlarge it small. Yes, this is okay. Then go to the layer and activate it, then add your stroke once again. Add your stroke once again. Yes, so the same thing that we used, then this is it. And this nice, oh, it is very good, it's very good, it's very good. So right now we are going to write our sentence there. So we're going to add a layer again. So add a layer, then you click on our writing icon, then you bring it. Oh, sorry. So come. So we are going to write the text. So yes, so you can now start typing. So let me just see that my text. Let me just see my text is remember to be good. So re re oh, I have to re okay. So I'll just start re remember remember to be good and work hard on your goals. Yes, so on your goals. Yes, so this is it. Then I just enter it like this. Can put it here like this. Yes. Or you can write anything. Then go and bring your image. So this is the image I'm using. This is the image I'm using. Okay, and go back and bring the image. Yes, this is the image that I'm using. So I'll just go to layer, and I'll go to layer. Like this, you can drag it to the top so that it will be here to be on top, like this, to be on top. Then you rasterize it because you want to move the background. Go to properties and move background. Wait for a second for the background to be removed. Uh-huh. Oh, so let's you see that because the leg was inside the bag you see that it cut it off. But let me go back and bring it back. So let me bring it like this so that you don't do this mistake again. Like this, and you see that the leg is showing. That is how Photoshop works. Yes, this is it. So sometimes when you remove background, you don't get the results you require. It is not Photoshop that is not giving you, but it is how you did it. So this is my weekend flyer. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and I go to see your flyer, your weekend flyer next week. Bye.